OMESER C988 1650W 3-in-1 High-Power Steam Vacuum Cleaner. Deep cleaning and steam sterilization for home and car. Experience a new level of cleanliness and hygiene with the OMESER C988 High-Power Steam Cleaner, a cutting-edge 3-in-1 steam vacuum that combines vacuuming, washing, and steam sterilization in one intelligent, touch-controlled system. Designed for versatility, this powerful cleaner tackles dirt, stains, and bacteria across carpets, sofas, mattresses, curtains, and even car interiors, giving your home a professional-grade deep clean every time. High power and advanced performance. With a total power of 1650 West and a main motor vacuum of 15,000 pascals, the OMESER C988 delivers strong suction and efficient steam cleaning performance. The system uses 450 West suction power to remove dust, debris, and liquids effortlessly, while the steam function penetrates deep into fibers to dissolve grime and sanitize surfaces, all at once. Rapid heating and continuous steam output get started in just 30 seconds. The OMESER C988 features fast preheating technology, generating steam between 60–90 degrees Celsius for powerful cleaning and disinfection. With a steam output capacity of 20 to 30 grams per minute, it cuts through tough grease, eliminates odors, and kills up to 99.9% of bacteria, ideal for maintaining a fresh, hygienic living space. Dual water tank system. This intelligent design separates clean water 1.6 L and dirty water 0.95 L into independent tanks, ensuring optimal cleaning efficiency and preventing cross-contamination. The water shortage protection and full sewage protection features guarantee safety and convenience during operation. Touchscreen smart control. Clean smarter, cleaner, and faster. The OMESER C988 gives you the power of professional deep cleaning right at home. Control every function at your fingertips with the modern touch control panel. Choose from multiple cleaning modes, including low-temperature cleaning, gentle for fabrics and delicate materials, high-temperature cleaning for stubborn stains and deep dirt, steam cleaning for refreshing upholstery and carpets, steam sterilization for powerful disinfection and odor removal. The intuitive interface allows smooth, user-friendly operation at all times, multi-purpose home and auto cleaning. Perfect for a variety of cleaning scenarios, the OMESER C988 effectively handles sofas and upholstery, removes dust, stains, and pet hair. Carpets and rugs, deep cleans and restores freshness. Mattresses and bedding, steam sterilization for healthier sleep. Curtains and fabric surfaces, gentle yet effective steaming. Car interiors, deep cleaning of seats and floors. With a 1.85 meters hose and 5 meters power cable, you'll enjoy excellent reach and flexibility across rooms and vehicles, low noise and user-friendly design. Operating at just 82 decibels, the C988 maintains strong suction with reduced noise, ideal for both home and commercial environments. Its ergonomic handle, smooth mobility, and lightweight construction make cleaning less tiring and more efficient. Technical specifications. Model C988. Power 1650W. Voltage to 120–140 volts. Vacuum pressure 15 kilopascals plus or minus 10%. Clean water tank 1.6 L. Dirty water tank 0.95 L. Steam temperature 60–90 degrees Celsius. Hot water temperature 40–60 degrees Celsius. Steam output 20 to 30 grams per minute. Preheat time 30s. Noise level 82 decibels. Hose length 1.85 meters. Cable length 5 meters. Modes: low temp, high temp, steam cleaning, steam sterilization. Protections: water shortage and full tank. Why choose the OMESER C988? 3-in-1. Vacuum, wash, and steam in one device. Advanced sterilization for a healthier home. Touchscreen control for modern convenience. Suitable for home, car, and commercial use. Large capacity water tanks for uninterrupted cleaning. Durable build with intelligent safety features.